Good morning students, myself Swarabita and now I am going to take your math for class 2. So see what we studied in our previous class. We studied practice time 3 and practice time 4. So today what we will study? We will study practice time 5. What we will study? We will study practice time 5. See practice time 5. Before studying practice time 5, I want to tell you something that see what is odd number. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd numbers. And what are even number? Even number are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, those pairs. 2. Okay, they are pairs. Again 3 is not pair. These 2 they have pair. This one don't have pair. Again 4. This 4 this have pair. This is also pair. So the number in pairs are even numbers and single 1. Okay, 1 don't have pair. 3 have pairs. These 2 have pair. What about this? It don't have pair. So the number which don't have pairs, they are odd. Okay, 1 is left out. They are odd. And the number which can make pairs by their own, they are what? They are even. See the first question. Circle the objects and form pairs. Also write the odd or even. Okay. See here. You can see here. I will just make you explain roughly. I have written the question number 1. These 2. Okay. These 2 will make a pair. Okay. These 2 will make a pair. Clear? These 2 will make a pair. Again these 2 will make another pair. These 2 will make another pair. What about this? This is left out, right? 5 na? 2 1 pair, 2 1 pair, 1 is left out. Circle the objects and form pairs. Circle the objects and form pairs and write odd or even. What is this? It is also write odd or even. What is this? Is it odd or even? It is odd because 1 is left out. When we are making pairs 2 2 2 2 2 2 and 1 is left out, that one is odd. Okay, this is odd. Again see question number B. This is a pair, right? This is a pair. Again this is also a pair. So no left out. No left out, na? Pair means what? 2. In one pair there will be 2. This is a pair 2, this is a pair 2. No one is left out, so it is even. Okay, when there is left out, then it is odd, and when there is nothing left out, that is even. Okay, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. And even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Those have pairs. Okay. Those can make pairs. See question number 2. Tick the even numbers and cross out the odd number. Okay. Tick the even and cross out the odd number. See number 1. See number A. It is 1. 1 is even or odd? 1 is odd. 1 single. If 2, then even. It can make pairs. 3. It can make pair, but this is left out. These 2 can make pair. This is left out. 1 is left out. That means it is odd. And again 4. 4 these 2 make pair. Again these 2 can make pair. Right? There is no left out. That is even. Okay. So 1 is what? Even or odd? 1 is odd. Again question number B. You see 32. What it is? 32. So 32 is even or odd? 32 is even. Okay, I want to tell you one thing more. See one thing. 1, 2, 7. You just learn this. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Clear? And even number is 2, 4, 6, 8. And 0 is also even. Okay, 0 is also even. Important thing is 0 is also an even. And the thing is that because in 0 nothing is left out. Okay, and the thing is that the number we like if now you will see, miss, if 2-digit number, how can we understand that it is odd or even? Like for any number, like you can say 11, what is the last digit? It is 1. Okay, 1 1 11, so in the last it is 1, so 1 is odd, that means 11 is also odd. Clear? If it is 12, what is the last digit? 2. 2 is even, so the 12 is also even. Okay, understood? So here 32 last digit 2 and 2 is even. Clear? So then 32 is even. Okay, you just study it, you just make it understand whatever I said. Okay, you just make yourself understand whatever I said and you just read it. Okay.